What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maza_KE. Welcome back again. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, sharing and watching the video till the end guys. So it's a beautiful morning and this is Migori. This is the county that we have. The main offices are from here, Migori County. So guys, today is a really beautiful day guys. I'm so happy and proud. I don't know if I can say proud, but thank you to Mama Grace. May God bless you abundantly. We are here at Marua's Hardware. Guys, we are going to buy some tiles for a village grandma's kitchen. And I'm really happy that the dream is coming true for my mom and also for me. And I'm so happy. So we are going to check on the tiles so that we can get the variety or what village grandma wants. So guys, we are here at Migori, Marua's Hardware store. As you can see from here, Marua's Hardware store. So guys, this is the main county, and this is where the offices of our Migori County are. The main offices, the governor also comes from here. So we are here guys, so we can go and check what we can the variety that village grandma wants, so that we can take the tiles from here. Yes, so this is Marua's Hardware. Oh, so we have to, I think village grandma has gone somewhere. So yeah. Oh, yes, so we are here. We want to check on the best tiles. I think we'll pass here, and we have some good in rate. This are called maps. Huh? Is this naitwaje Sejo? So with me here we have Sejo.
Marbles.
Yes, how are you?
I'm very much good.
Yes.
Today we are on the trip with mom.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, guys, my name is Sejo. Welcome to Maja KE YouTube channel. Yeah, we've come here to Marua's Hardware.
Yeah.
Inclusivity inside here.
Yes.
We've come at least to check the tiles here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So these are marbles.
Yeah, these are marbles.
This is what I was asking. Maybe we can.
The marbles are placed in kitchen.
Kitchen, yes.
Yeah, mostly in kitchen.
Yeah. So I think this are very good at kitchen.
Yeah.
So we will be window shopping. So village grandma can tell us what she wants.
I saw Nasto have this.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
By the way, we were here buying these ones. Yeah, me and Nasto, and yeah, I can remember a few months ago. Yeah, I think they are good. This one will be good for village grandma. Yeah. So this is one of the things that we'll be buying. But for today, we want to buy just tiles for the kitchen, then for the veranda
And
yeah,
kitchen.
and also this one is so good. Where?
This when we went to engineer software.
Yes, engineer software has this here. So I think we should also buy this for village grandma.
Yes.
Not today. We are not saying. Hey, see the price.
So salad.
Yes. But anyway, I will save and buy this for my mom. Of course, I will. I will do anything for her. Yes. So this is one of the things that we need in a village grandma's house.
Yeah, so this one much.
Hey.
This maybe is a
Mom, how are you?
I am good.
Yes.
This is
Say hi.
I'm very happy
Yes.
to be here.
Mhm.
You are choosing my favorite tiles.
Tiles.
My veranda. Then
Veranda.
we shall come for the kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah.
How are you, brother?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yes.
Welcome to Marua.
Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah.
This
So
one is
my
like
name
a-
is Maja.
Okay.
Yeah, you know Nasto and Mayug?
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I know that.
Yeah. My name is Maja.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Subscribe to
Sejo.
my channel, and this is
YouTube
Sejo.
channel.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, welcome.
Yes. So Sejo was saying this 350 promo. But we're going to buy, no problem.
Yeah.
No, me, not engineer.
Engineer.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
You can also buy from
yes. So this is
So, ma'am,
this.
you can-
What is this called?
Shower.
Cubicle.
the bathroom.
But shower cubicle. Wow. So guys, this is how it looks like. Maybe you can put this for village grandma inside her
This is the
bathroom.
Hii ni raha.
This is bad.
Gani ndio nini?
Hata hii si mbaya.
Hii. Sasa kushika alafu nisikie.
Ah, si rahisi ziko.
Iko sawa.
Iko sawa. So, and also, ma'am, call engineer software so that he can check. He told me to confirm.
Yeah, na
Video call.
unajua mimi simu yangu haiwezi.
Haiwezi.
Hmm?
Hauna data.
I don't have that. So guys, engineer software also wanted to confirm the tiles so that he can give us. Yes. Yeah. So maybe we can window shop. Meanwhile, Sejo, let's see some things. Come, bro. Show us. I think.
Sasa si tunapigia engineer.
Angalia.
Yeah. Hey guys, so this one also it's 12,500. So I think this will be good for village grandma to put it on the inside the sitting room here. So we are just window shopping. We are not saying we are going to buy this. We are just window shopping. So guys, we have a variety of them. We also have this. Goes for 8,000. Yeah, this is 12,000. But I think this is big enough for the And these are the variety of them that we have here. So this is 28,000. Very small, but I think because of the uniqueness, it is very good. I think the toilets, we are done with the toilets for village grandma's house. Yeah. So we have a variety of things. I think what village grandma doesn't have is the like the maybe shower. Yeah, I think this shower is good, guys. I don't know what you think about this. This is a shower. Wow. So this is a shower. I think this one is good, 16,900. Yeah, so I think that when I save I will come and buy this for my mom. Yeah. Oh, this. Hey, this one is so much expensive. 25,000. 25,500, but it's I think it's the best. Yeah, we are just window shopping, guys. We are not going to buy this. We are here for tiles. For tiles, guys. And thank you to Mama Grace. May God bless you. Peace and love. God bless you abundantly. And if you want to help also Mama Grace to support a village grandma, you are free to come and help Mama Grace. So yeah, this is, I think this is the best. Or we can take even this for 21,000. Yeah, very soon. I think when my salary come, I can sacrifice and do that. And also this one for the kitchen, for the smell, you know, when you put like when you cook fish. Yes, so you don't want anyone to see the price, guys, here. There. But anyway, you know, we can save and buy. Yeah, we can save. The toilets, I think we are done with the toilets inside my mom's house. The toilets were done. So the kitchen, I think, I don't know if we can take today one here. It can help us, but yeah, for the kitchen. So this is 1,000. This is for the toilet, I believe. Yeah, these are for the toilets. And, wow, maybe you can take 100 and yeah. So guys, I left village grandma there and Sejo. So the reason why I took Sejo is to help us carry the tiles back home because he has a car. So it will help us so much. Ni aje bro? Poa? Eh?
Hii tile ni nzuri.
Hii nzuri, hii nzuri, hii.
Ya veranda.
Oh, ya veranda.
Ya veranda.
Eh. Veranda ya kitchen, around the kitchen, yeah. So
Hii ya. Au kutaka ya maua.
Anataka ya maua.
Hataki ya maua.
Hata hii ni nzuri na veranda, si ndio bwana?
hii. So guys, mami, umepigiaje? So
Achukue hata hii.
yes, so we are trying to call engineer software also to confirm if this is
Soja
the
alikuwa
best.
amepiga simu. Soja alikuwa amepiga simu.
Yes.
Simu yangu sina bundle maji, yako kuna bundle.
Sina bundles pia. I don't have bundles.
Light ndio noma, hii light ndio maana uone poa.
Let's try the light. So this is engineer software. Engineer software, say hi. Eh? Okay. So mom umechagua gani?
Hii.
So mom chose this one. Village grandma. This one. Huh?
Hii type.
Ni corridor, nani veranda.
The veranda.
So I'm just trying to explain to engineer software that we're taking this for the veranda. For the veranda, not the kitchen. So they have to be the same. Yes.
Veranda ni hii.
Hii. So mama amechagua hii. Yeah, I'm explaining to engineer software that mom has chosen this.
Jikoni ndani mama ni gani? Tenda ndani.
Bado ni
Je, hii tu ndio itawekwa ndani jikoni?
yes.
Ama uchague yenye jikoni itaingia.
So maybe you can show him.
Nishamwona.
Angalia this.
Okay.
So you know, we don't have time. So it's today. Yes, we have to buy them today, right?
Sawa,
now.
sawa.
So we don't have time. Yes. Yeah. So guys, we were just trying to explain to engineers software that we have to buy the tiles right now.
Yeah,
right now. So
that's
we
the
don't have
business
time.
actually which have brought us here.
Yes.
So we've come to and go with them. So
Yes.
it's not another day. Actually, we're going to day with
It's
it.
today and right now.
Right now.
And right now, you know, even village grandma, she's very happy. So we can't live without time.
Ngoja nimtafute.
Yes. Yeah. Mom, we can window shop.
Yes.
Meanwhile. So in your maybe sitting room. This one. This one.
There is another color.
Yeah, show me.
I don't want that one. Even this one is okay.
This one. And this is the most expensive one here. Imagine. Yeah. So
28.
that is 28,000.
Complete.
This is 6,000. Yes, complete. Not complete. 6,000. This is 8,000. Yeah. So we are trying to window shop.
Tiles hizo zinaitwa nini?
Hello. Hello.
You can talk to him.
Ongea na huyu kijana.
Hello.
Yeah, so engineer software. Meanwhile, mom, we can just go this way and window shop some. The toilets, we have them all.
There is
Easy. Hii ni wall
The
tiles.
wall,
Yeah. Na hizi
Yes, the
yeah,
kitchen.
kitchen, yes.
Bath and kitchen.
Yeah, bathroom and kitchen. So you can
Yeah, good.
just in the shop. Which one is best for you? Yeah.
In the kitchen. This one. Because this one you can twist, yes.
You know we have so many, so you're in the shopping, you'll tell us. And this one also.
That one you don't.
You don't want this one? Okay.
But there is a black one that
I will show you. Yes, they are here. Yes, come and show us, ma'am. Which one?
This one is okay.
This one.
Kitchen, yes.
You know this one you can. Yeah. So Nasto picked one from here also. Yes. So this is the best you want. You want this one?
Yes. This is 6,000. Almost.
This one is
Always figure 6,000.
4,800. 4,800.
Mali?
Yes. So I think maybe when I get my salary, I will take this for you. But meanwhile, we don't also have the for the kitchen. What is it called?
Kitchen sink.
The kitchen sink. Yes.
Yeah.
When we put the kitchen sink, then I'll come and buy this for you.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah. So guys, we have some music here. Yes.
Nilikuwa nasema
So,
hii iko vizuri.
this one is good, Sergio. So,
Engineer.
yes, engineer also chose this one, and my mom chose this one, but this one is. They have said this one is okay. So yes. So you know, guys, we have to also share ideas so that we can get the best, so that everyone is comfortable with it. Is it, Sergio?
Yeah, you know, my first choice was that.
Yeah.
But I didn't want to argue with mom.
Yes. You know what she chooses. This is her.
It is also good.
Yes.
Because I said this
You know,
or
mom
this.
is always best. Yes, so with the term of a chance.
So this one. Engineer software has chosen also this one. Light. Yes. But this one, it's here. Yes. So we will go and ask for the price. So tuandikie. Tuandikie kabisa. Ni ngapi? How much?
1,200.
Madam Felista.
1200. That is that is 1,200. That is around
$70.
seven.
No, it's 10.
70.
10 USD.
10 USD. Yes. So we are going to negotiate. That is 1,200 Kenya shilling.
Yes. But
Yes.
in USD is 10 USD.
10 USD. Yes. So we are going to negotiate. Wow. I like also this. I think when I get good money, guys, I will buy this also for my mom. And wow, 800. Huh? This is dinner set. 8,000. Hello. Yes. So engineer software is calling. Yeah. Nimeona kidogo nitakupigia. Sawa. So box 5 boxes. Yeah. 5 boxes, and we also have these guys, which is very nice. Said this is Shandari. What? Candle holder, 5,000. Candle holder. This is a candle holder, guys. So nice. Yes. Hey. Coca soup. Yeah, so guys, we are taking 5 boxes. Yeah, we go and negotiate there. Where are we paying? Here. Yes, so here is where we have to pay, guys. 5 boxes.
Call him so that you can talk about the price.
Huh? Sorry?
Wait akuje tuongelee bei.
Oh. Nani? Huyu? Oh, Sergio. Negotiate here for me. Yes. So we have to negotiate. We're not good at negotiating, but we have to negotiate. Yeah. Mom, come and try this. You know this? Hmm? Hmm? You don't know? Hmm? Gym. See, gym ni ile you like running. So would you like to have this maybe in your house? Okay. Yeah, we can window shop meanwhile. Yeah, so guys, we are trying to window shop. Also, we are trying to negotiate here. Tan. So we are going to take 5 boxes. Gapi? Gapi? Oh, 5,400. 5,400. So we are going to take 5 boxes for 5,400. So one box goes for. One box go for. Yeah. So let's see how much one box goes for. So one box goes for 1,000. So guys, everyone is very busy, so we are trying to get the amount that one box goes for. So
1080.
1080.
Yeah, that's a pretty good discount.
1080. One box from 1,200.
Yeah, it's good at bargaining.
Wow, that's so nice. So they gave us a discount. So my mom will get lunch and Sergio also. Thank you so much. Sergio.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much for bargaining.
No problem.
Yeah.
I'm a king bargain.
Yeah. So you're asking?
Yeah.
Window shopping.
Yes, I was asking how much is the big.
Yeah.
Easy.
Maybe if I inquire,
Yeah, so Sergio also wants some iron sheet here. He's going to negotiate. So maybe when I start my my dream house, I will come and buy here. I really like also these ones. But for now, guys, we are doing it for village grandma. Maybe we can just see window shop. Yeah, so this is spoon carrier, I think. Inaitwaje?
cutlery.
Ka?
Cutlery.
Oh, cutlery.
Consisting of spoons, forks, and table knife.
How much is it?
5,000.
5,000. Only this.
Only.
Yeah, it's 5,000. Eh? The price of the tiles that you are buying, 5,000.
It's a quality, but kind.
Gold. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is too much for me. Yeah, I think.
You can also go upstairs. There are places for furniture.
Yeah.
Plastic chairs.
Yeah, so you're the one to show me.
Can I show you around?
Yeah, show me around. So guys, we're trying to. Also, you sell shoes. Yeah. So, and I was also looking for the, I think they are, I don't know, they are carpets, the wall carpets that you put.
Wallpapers.
Yeah, wallpapers that you put on. Or you'll show me that. Maybe I can take one for, I have an Airbnb. Maybe I can, yeah. So this is another floor.
Paints
Uh-huh.
and other small types, but it's mainly dedicated for paints. If you know.
For paints.
There are a lot of paints.
Oh, so for now we don't need paints.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is first floor. First floor.
Yeah, that's first floor.
So we are going second floor. Yes.
So here most of
Wow.
the things are furniture and lighting systems.
Yeah, this is where I think I want to be, because very soon I will also want some furnitures. So guys, these are the furnitures here. So maybe you can start from here. I know it's very expensive, but we can manage some at some time. Maybe I think this one.
6.
Yes. So this is marble.
Yeah.
Marble.
The top one is a glass.
Uh-huh.
Not really a marble, but it has a design for a marble.
Yeah. So this is so this is 26,000 guys.
Only.
Kenya shillings. Only.
It's a coffee table.
Yeah. And the chairs,
These are
think
quality
this one.
chairs.
Yeah.
Okay, comfortable.
Leather.
That's a recline.
Yes. Leather. So
This goes for how much? 200.
Yeah.
200,000.
I think so. Yeah, that's actually the price.
Hey.
It's a good quality. And also
Kenya shillings.
rest.
Wow. Hey.
Love the
It has a rest.
Let me hold the camera.
Yes. Let me show you guys how
Yeah.
you feel comfortable.
And the semi recliners. Do you have the semi recliners?
I think.
Oh, you're not sure. Okay. So we want to make the payment because I
Yeah.
think we are rushing somewhere.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think this one is. You said
200.
200. That's around 1,050 USD.
USD. Yes. And this one, let's check on this one also.
It's quick in terms of this is 175.
175.
They all set.
They all set. Yeah. So I think this one is the best. I think it's simple and
Yeah, very simple.
yeah, I can like this one. Yeah. And also we have this one for 20,000. I think this one I can buy for my future wife.
Yeah, for the dressing room.
Yeah, dressing room. I mean, yeah, and also the dining.
That's
Hey,
195.
195,000. Yeah, it moves like for Ayamaro. Yes. So we have variety of them, guys. So because of time, guys, let's go and pay, and then we will be coming back, bro. Thank you so much. You can show me the wallpapers.
Okay.
Maybe if I can afford, I can take one. Yeah, so thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel. I'm Maja_KE.
Okay.
Brother to It's Nasto. You know Nasto?
Yeah, I know last.
Yeah, I'm his younger brother.
Okay.
Yes. So
Yeah.
yeah. Yes. So guys, let's see the wallpaper. Maybe if I can afford, I can take one. Yes. So this is Marua Hardware in Migori. Whenever you come to Migori, guys, from anywhere you can visit here. They have everything that you want or need. You can get it at Marua's Hardware. So it's near where?
Yeah.
Family Bank, yes.
Or Bansi Sellers.
Yeah. Okay. So the wallpaper. Where is it? Yeah. So guys, let's see the wallpaper so that we can. Oh, they are here. Yes. So how many meters? Niaje? Meters?
Ile na half by 10.
Half by 10.
Half by 10.
Yeah.
Hiyo kizungu ni ngumu. So ita cover wall like from where to where?
Okay, this is half a meter.
Yes.
Then it's okay, unfold it out.
Mhm.
It goes 10 meters.
10 meters. So 10 meters, it's from like that point to, yeah. So it goes for how much?
1,600.
1,600. One.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming back to you. Okay. Yes. So guys, let's pay here. Mom. Ningapi?
5,400.
Yeah, so guys, we're going to pay here 5,400. Yeah, pesa. Baby. So business number. 7, 8, 6. Number. Hii maro unaandika na capital letters. Oh, Marowa. Marowa. Yes, a name like my dad's Marowa. Marowa. Yeah, so 5,000?
400.
5,400. Okay. Yes. Okay, we just paid guys 5,400 for the tiles. Yeah, umepata? Patia receipt. Yes, so we are waiting for the receipt guys. We paid 5,400 for the tiles. So we also bargained. And mom, we found some chairs, good chairs up there. Okay. So let's wait for the receipt so that we can move on guys. And I want to say thank you so much for Mama Grace, and I really appreciate. How do you say to Mama Grace, Mom?
I am very grateful, very thankful. God bless you. Let your pocket never go dry. Always be filled with money.
Yes.
You have a very good heart. Assisting me, I'm very happy. I'm very proud of you. God keep on blessing you. Be blessed abundantly.
Yeah. Yes. So that was from Village Grandma, and thank you so much for the people who have subscribed to me and reaching out to me through also some people to support Village Grandma. And you are always it's an open field. If you want to support Village Grandma, kindly reach out to her or me or Village Grandpa or anyone that is near us. Yeah. Yes. Bari, shikamo. Daniel Maro. Yes. So we are just waiting for the receipts so that we can clear and maybe do some other things. Go back home, maybe take some cement. Yeah. You see?
So one big difference from this too.
Okay, so let me see the receipt. Sorry. Yes, so guys, this is the receipt. This is what we have paid. We are done. Yeah.
So nenda store.
So, okay. So So we are going to the store. So ma'am, we will come back and we'll see the other things. Huku nyuma. Eh? Oh, sawa. Tupite hapa mama. Ama kuja na maadhi. Yeah, we are just trying to find that. No? Yeah, so let's go to the store, guys, and pick the tiles. So this is the corridor behind Marwa's